As a world leader in advanced materials and the inventor of thermoplastic polyurethane, TPU, Lubrizol is going beyond the cutting edge of 3D printing solutions with the introduction of ESTANE 3D TPU M88A. ESTANE M88A is a soft, flexible material developed exclusively for HP's larger production MJF 5200 printers, employing powder bed fusion technology. The material can be easily unpacked at room temperature and allows for softer TPU-based lattice designs. And its printing time is 50% shorter than the current Lubrizol TPU in the market. M88A is engineered to print complex geometries and can be dyed as well as coated to provide a wide range of color choices, resulting in finished colors that are brighter compared to current materials in the multi-jet fusion platform. It has gone through development and testing at both our Avid product development and Lubrizol advanced materials facilities. It has very good abrasion resistance and is a durable material, which makes it suitable for use in tough environments. ESTANE M88A has skin contact approval according to ISO 10993-5 and 10993-10, thus allowing for a prolonged exposure to direct contact with the skin. And it has already proven effective and life-enhancing in orthotics and prosthetics.
This is way more durable, and it's lighter than what a carbon fiber socket would be.
ESTANE 3D TPU M88A is well suited for a wide variety of consumer, O&P, industrial, and automotive applications, with great opportunities for customization and personalization. ESTANE M88A, another game-changing advancement in 3D printing solutions from Lubrizol. Lubrizol 3D Printing Solutions, a new dimension of innovation.